Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike Green. I'm one of the owners of 1A Auto. I want to help you save time and money repairing and maintaining your vehicle. I'm going to use my 20 plus years experience restoring and repairing cars and trucks like this to show you the correct way to install parts from 1AAuto.com. The right parts installed correctly. That's going to save you time and money. Thank you and enjoy the video.
In this video we're going to show you window regulator replacement on this 2001 Chrysler PT Cruiser. The tools you'll need for this repair are a 10mm socket and ratchet with extension, flat blade and Phillips screwdrivers, and you'll need some blue painter's tape or something to hold the window up. Okay, you're going to start by pulling off this panel, then removing two 10mm bolts underneath here. You can see one there, and there's one up in there as well. And then there are four screws, Phillips screws, one there, down here, and back here. Okay, we'll pick up the work pace here as we pry off that panel. Then we use a 10mm socket with a ratchet and extension to remove the two bolts in the armrest. And then we use a screwdriver to remove the four Phillips screws, one behind the handle and then around the perimeter of the door. Okay, now once you have those screws out, then you can start up here. Just grab on and give a good quick, grab on, pull it out, work your fingers under, work them down, good quick tug, work your fingers down further, tug, down further, move around, okay, goes that screw. Okay, and now, you've gotten everything loose, you want to pull your door panel up. Like that. Actually, this piece of weather strip just goes back on to the car here. Okay, there's a clip. Not sure if you can see it, but you can just push it down with your thumb. Okay, then this rod pulls out, and then you have a harness connection for your door locks. Just a little tab. Work it through with my thumb, pull it off, and your door panel's off. We'll remove these two bolts, or one nut and a bolt that hold this brace. Okay, so fast forward as I remove those two, or one nut and one bolt, and then after you remove that brace, carefully pull your water shield back to reveal the inside of the door. Generally, when your window regulator breaks, the cable snaps and then you can move your window up and down by hand. And that's exactly what you want to do. You want to move the window down so it's where you can easily reach these two 10mm bolts and loosen them up. Loose, you can lift the window up out of the clamps and then lift it right up. See, I use a little blue painter's tape to secure the window so it doesn't fall down. Okay. Now you want to disconnect your power window harness, which is a little red locking clip here. You pull out. Okay, then press on this tab here and pull your harness up and out. And then there's going to be four 10mm nuts right here, a 10mm nut down here, and a 10mm nut right in here. So I'll do this one first. And there is one more that you can see right here. back through, pull it back through. The regulator comes right out. Okay. This one's working fine, and I'm just doing this video to kind of show you. So put it right back in. Bring your lead through. Get your motor into place. Plug it in. Up, and you need to make sure you get the regulator on the inside of your window. Okay, and here I'm just going to fast forward through starting all those 10mm nuts and then using my socket ratchet extension to tighten them up. You want to be nice and firm. You don't want to over tighten them though. Okay, and she tested it and confirmed it works. I'm going to speed up here through putting the plastic water shield back in place and then bolting the brace back on, and then you're all set to put your door panel back on. Okay, to reinstall your door panel, first you want to reconnect your power door lock switch. Then put your door lock or your door handle rod back in place. Push your panel nice and close to the door. You lock the foot back on. Okay, now lift it up into place. Put your door lock button through. Push your door lock button through, then push your door panel in, get it into that lip right there. Okay. Pretty much goes down into place. Then just use the back of your hand. Okay, now we're going to hit fast forward as we put on the 4 screws, one behind the door handle, around the perimeter, and then the last one down at the back of the door. And then we'll use our 10mm socket with ratchet and extension, put the bolts back in under the door handle or armrest, and you should be all set. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.oneauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.